In our top news, in Palau's second jury trial in its history, a 6-member panel convicted Palauan man Jeldon Llano for his vicious attack on a Filipino worker, Nehemiah Pamintilan, during his robbery of the local burger hut Bem Ermi. On the night of the assault in July 2013, the 46-year-old victim was working as a cook for the burger hut. There was $150 cash in the register. The victim returned to Palau from the Philippines to provide testimony at the trial of how he feared for his life as Llano hacked him multiple times with a machete. He was left so wounded that even today the bones on his left arm protrude as evidence of the assault. He spent a month in Palau's local hospital following the attack. After a 5-day trial and 2 days of deliberation, the jury rendered a guilty verdict on all 5 counts: attempted murder in the first degree, robbery, aggravated assault, assault and battery with a dangerous weapon, and grand larceny. Bill Ridpath, Llano's court-appointed counsel, has not indicated whether he will appeal the verdict. There is no date yet set for sentencing, but Llano faces up to 30 years in prison.